Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can transfer your MemeFi token from your OKX wallet into your Bybit account. You're going to learn how you can be able to withdraw your MemeFi token from your OKX wallet, then deposit it into your Bybit account. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to go ahead now to copy your MemeFi token deposit address from your Bybit account. So guys, you can see here is the home page of my Bybit account. So for me to copy my MemeFi token deposit address, what I have to do first of all is to tap on where you can see assets. So let me tap on assets. Then what I'll do next is to tap on deposit. So let me tap on deposit. Then what I'll do next is to tap on where you can see deposit with crypto. You can see there it is written deposit crypto. So let me tap on it. So guys, now this is where you need to set for the crypto that you want to copy is deposit address. So for this case, we want to copy MemeFi. So we have to scroll through these cryptocurrencies here to find MemeFi. But in case you can't see MemeFi easily, you can tap on the search icon at the top so you can search it out easily. So let me tap on the search icon. Then let me go ahead now to type in MemeFi. So let me type in MemeFi, MEMEFI. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see my search result right there. You can see the MemeFi logo. You can see the name there, MemeFi. What you have to do now is to tap on it to select it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now this is the next step. You can see what's written there. Choose a chain type. The chain type you have to go for is SU. You can see where it is written SU. So let me tap on it to select it. Let me tap on SU. So guys, now you can see this important notice. Let me get to read it. They said, please confirm that you're depositing MemeFi to this address on the SU network. Mismatched address information may result in the permanent loss of your assets. So guys, that is known. So let me tap on OK. So guys, now this is where you're going to be able to copy your MemeFi deposit address. You can see it right there being encircled. So now for you to copy it, what you have to do next is to tap on the copy icon just next to it on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see copy it successfully, or you can simply tap on where it is written copy address. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see again copy it successfully. So guys, now this is how you can be able to copy your MemeFi deposit address on Bybit. So what you have to do next now is to go over to your OKX wallet. So guys, let me go over to my OKX wallet right away. Let me minimize let me go over to OKX wallet. Where is my OKX wallet? Let me tap on it to open it. So guys, now you can see my OKX wallet is opening. So guys, now you can see I've opened up my OKX app. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to make sure you tap on wallet at the top. You can see that wallet is selected. Make sure you select wallet. So guys, now after that, what you have to do now is to scroll upwards. So let me scroll upwards. And what you have to do next is to tap on crypto. You can see that crypto is selected. Then under the crypto, you're going to see that we have list of cryptos right here. You can see them. Then what you have to do now is to look for MemeFi. So guys, you can see MemeFi there at the top. You can see it right there. But in case you can't find the MemeFi token right here, that means you've not added it right here in this crypto section. And I've made a dedicated video on how you can find your MemeFi token right here. What you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video. I'm going to be leaving the video link right there that will teach you how you can find your MemeFi token, how you can add it right here so you can be able to get it and find it. So guys, it's very easy. So guys, now after you've seen your MemeFi token, what you have to do now is to tap on it to select it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the amount of MemeFi token that I have right there. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see send. You can see it right there where it is written send. So let me tap on it. We're tapping on send because we want to send MemeFi token from our OKX wallet into our Bybit account. So guys, that's what we want to do. So guys, now you can see the next step, receiving address, enter wallet address. So guys, what you have to do right here now is to paste the wallet address you copied from your Bybit account. You have to paste your MemeFi wallet address, your MemeFi deposit address that you copied from your Bybit account, and I've just showed you how you can do that, and I've copied it. So what I'll do now is to tap on paste. You can see where it is written paste. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see I've pasted my MemeFi deposit address right there, the one I copied from my Bybit account. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on confirm. So let me tap on confirm right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, now this is the step here you have to impute the amount of MemeFi token that you want to transfer to your Bybit account. This is where you need to impute it. So you can go ahead now to type in. Let me just type in 400. You can see I've typed in 400 MemeFi token. And in case you want to transfer all your MemeFi token from your OKX wallet to your Bybit account, what you can simply do is to tap on where you can see max. You can see it right there. Let me tap on max. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the total MemeFi token that I have in my OKX wallet has appeared there. It's now reflecting there. But guys, I don't want to send all of it. So let me just impute 400. Let Let me impute 400 MemeFi. So guys, now you can see I've imputed it. So guys, now you can see that this 400 MemeFi token is equivalent to 3.25 USD. That means 3.25 US dollars. So guys, now what I'll do next is tap on next. So let me tap on next right away. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. Here's the full details of the transaction I'm about to carry out. You can see what's written there, SU network fee. The SU network fee is 0.00444 SU. So guys can see you need SU in your OKX wallet for you to be able to transfer your MemeFi token from your OKX wallet into your Bybit account. You can see it there. And in case you don't have SU in your OKX wallet, I've already made a dedicated video on how you can actually buy SU. What you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video or over to the comment section. I'm going to be dropping the video link that will teach you how you can actually buy SU. Just tap on the link there, be able to watch and learn how you can buy SU and get it deposited into your OKX wallet. So guys, now after you're done checking all of these details, what you have to do right away is to tap on confirm. So guys, let me tap on confirm right away. So guys, now you can see it's asking me to verify my fingerprint. So let me place my fingerprint at the back of my fingerprint sensor. Let me do that real quick. So guys, now you can see it's confirming it. Wow guys, you can see at the top, transaction submitted, successfully sent. So guys, I believe you saw the pop-up notification at the top, and also you can see under the history, you can see that 400 MemeFi token has been deducted from my account. You can see it has been deducted from my OKX wallet and sent to my Bybit account. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it so you see it. Let me tap on it. Let me see the details of the transaction. So guys can see completed. These are the details of the transaction. It has been sent. So guys, let me go back now. And also, if you check my balance, my MemeFi token balance, it has reduced to 401. What used to be there was 800 MemeFi. So guys, now what I will do now is to go over to my Bybit account to see if I actually received it. Let me go and confirm it in my Bybit account to see if it has entered my Bybit account. So let me do that real quick. Let me go over to my Bybit account. Because now you can see I'm back to my Bybit account. So let me tap on assets. Let me tap on assets. Then let me tap on my funding account. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see under my funding account, you can now find MemeFi right there. You can see there 400 MemeFi token. This is exactly the amount of MemeFi token that I sent to my Bybit account. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. And also to confirm it further, let me tap on my transaction history icon at the top right corner. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see my transaction history, my asset history is done loading. You can see the top transaction right there. You can see the narration, deposit MemeFi. That means the MemeFi I just deposit right now. You can see the date and the time is just exactly now. And also you can see the amount of MemeFi token 400, which is exactly the amount of MemeFi token that I transferred from my OKX wallet down into my Bybit account. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to transfer your MemeFi token from your OKX wallet to your Bybit account. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.